Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing for Stickii Club Cute Pack, July of 2022. Just a reminder before we start, I am visually impaired, so I will be using reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to see fine details. If I forget anything or if I miss something, go ahead and throw it down in the comments. Let's get started. This is the Cute Pack. The price for this has gone up. I will reflect that in the description. Each pack has gone up $2. They were originally $10 plus $1 for shipping. Now they're going to be $12 plus $1 for shipping. I can add. Bink. I have no spoilers. I have no idea what is going to be going on for this today. So there's your sneaky peek, since you know I can't see it. Okay, now let us zoom in a bit. Okay. Let's get out our theme sticker. This here can be used to put on the sticker organizer or anywhere you want. Let's see, what have we got here? We've got sweet tea. Aww, that's adorable. I really like that. Okay, put that off to the side. Now we're going to go and look at what's in our accessory pocket. I'm going to call it the accessory pocket. I'm not 100% sure what it is. Of course, we got a stamp. Let me unwrap it and go. True to form, my ability to open those and get them out of the packaging has not changed. Still can't do it. Okay, what have we got here? We have something upside down. Okay, let's face it this way. It's a tea bag and a spilling teacup, because you want to spill that tea. We got... Tea is the best cure. Okay, so that is so adorable. I can't wait to start like decorating my planner already. Always keep the little plastic that comes with it, so that way you can protect it from everything. Okay, bottom pocket is usually our notepad, and it is this time. Okay. Okay, let me unwrap. Okay, we've got a lot of pages, and it's a pretty big notebook, well, notepad. Got lines on it, really nice. It's got some, what is this? Oh, tea and a little tea set, like petite fours or something. I don't know why my eye is so itchy. Oh, they're bunnies. There's little bunnies everywhere. That is cute. Oh, so cute. I love this. I love it. Okay. And then the last part is going to be obviously all the stickers in the back here. I'm going to separate those quick. I'm doing a bang up job today. Okay, it looks like we got 8 sticker sheets. 3 are clear. The other ones are solid. So we're going to look at the solid ones first. So that means I'm going to rezoom back in using my mad skills. Okay. We have some cute designs and sayings. This looks like it matches the stamp. I think these are actually clear on a solid background. So like when you peel them off, they're going to be clear. I was getting Alice in Wonderland vibes. Tea, please. There's our brand mark, the person who made this. I mean, I don't know why. It's not Alice in Wonderland at all, but I was getting it. Okay, we're going to put that off to the side. Next one here is little tiny bunnies. I love the border on this, by the way. I peeked. All kinds of little bunnies. Apples. A little early for fall stuff, but I'm loving it. Loving the pumpkin. Oh, this is so cute. A whole picnic thing. That's a pretty big sticker. I like that. Oh, look at the duck. Oh, ready to eat. Is that a duck or a chicken? Who knows? One of the papers went flying. All right. I'm sorry. And this is kind of a fluffy cow. Strawberries. Strawberry cow. Oh, blueberry. Blueberry cow? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my. Oh. I'm gonna have to follow them on Instagram. See more cows. Another big sticker. Oh, those are adorable. Oh, we got some washi tape. Let's look at them this way. Are they upside down? Somehow might be upside down. Yeah. Oh, is it more cows? It's more cows. Awesome. Same maker. Usually it's several long ones that go the full length of the sheet, and then there's one shorter one, because then also over here you have the maker's brand. I put this in the planner when I'm using the washi tape just so I can remember who I got the washi tape from, because like, do they make the washi tape or just Stickii? Those are adorable, aren't they? They're so cute. And they're washi feeling. Washi feeling. Alright, looks like we got some owls here. Oh, so beautiful. This is lovely. Gold foiling. We got some gold foiling. Love that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. These are so cute. Almost missed that teapot. Oh, look at that. I love that. Okay, now we're going to take the back of this one and show you the clear ones. Alright, here's the first one. We don't get Pusheen that much anymore. I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but... Oh, more bunnies. So many bunnies. Bunnies hide in everything. They multiply like crazy and they hide in everything. No! Oh, Bunny Dongo. Ooh, that's a big sticker. Yeah, that's a big one. I love that they're adding bigger stickers. This is from the notepad. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Is that Bunny Geary? Bunny Geary. There's another big one. It looks like it's a building that looks like something else with a juice box. And there's some boba. Cream puffs. So cute. Alright, second last one. We have got some avocado with a face. Oh, I think they're birds. I call them burbs. Oh, penguins. How many of you remember that the reason why I say penguins? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So avocados and eggs for avocado toast. Perfect. It tastes delicious. Love it. Absolutely love it. It is a protein rich breakfast food. Ready to fill you up. Ooh, Maker's Mark is in another language, I believe. But here's the Insta, which is good, so that way you can get their Instagram. Last one is the gift tags, or like anything you want to use them for. We got some more eggs. I guess this is part of the avocado one. These are absolutely adorable. I can't wait to use these. There we go again. So there we are, the cute pack for July of 2022. What do we think? I love it. Absolutely cuteness. Absolutely cuteness. So absolutely cute to the nest. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.